In this video, I am going to show you how to upload code in WordPress. So let's get started. At first, we are going to upload our code to WordPress website using a plugin. And in the second step, we are going to upload our code to the WordPress website using cPanel or WordPress default theme editor. So let's see how we can do it using the plugin. At first, you need to log into your WordPress website dashboard. And from here, just click on plugins and then add new. Now search for a plugin, insert header and footer. And after that, install and activate this first plugin. As I have already installed this plugin, so let's see how it works. After installing this plugin, you will see code snippets here. Just click on it. And after that, from the top, just click on add new. Now choose the first template, blank template. Click on use snippet. Now paste your code here, and after that, from the top, just click on save snippet. That's it, you have successfully uploaded your code to your WordPress website. If you do not want to install any plugin, then you can also do it using the WordPress theme editor. Just click on appearance and then click on theme file editor. And here you can also upload your code. But if you are a beginner, then I will not recommend you to go with this option because one small mistake can break your website. Another way to upload your code in WordPress is to go to cPanel, then scroll down to file section and then click on file manager. Now click on public_HTML. Now select your website folder and here you can upload your code. After uploading your code, you can also edit it from here. Just right click on any file and then click on edit. Again click on edit. And from here you can easily update your uploaded file. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.